game called Building Blocks. No, that's wrong. A game called Freeze. Okay. And we'll start this one out with Allison and James.
Can we please have a non-geographic location? In McDonald's! Welcome to the land of fantasy and magic, my dear good charlatan.
Thank you very much. I have to say, this is the most magic land I have ever seen.
Thank you. It is entirely fictional.
Freeze! Here is the check.
Put it in this hand.
Okay.
You put it in this hand.
It is 18% gratuity. Thank you very much.
Excuse me, Mrs. Swanson?
Yes, what can I help with?
I noticed that everybody else's check was 20% gratuity. I was wondering if it had something to do with my little baby hand.